I don't usually go this way, but I thought I'd give my usual little run, my little local twisty roads in reverse. Switch it up a little bit. I've never done it this way around before, so we will give it a try. Oh, she's feeling very light today. Everyone has the local twisty roads they like to ride on whenever they get a chance to. I've bought a new pair of jeans, biker jeans, and oh my, are they comfy. Feels like I've got my pyjamas on. The other pair of jeans I had, they were a little bit tight. I bought them when I was about 2 stone lighter, so they was more painful to wear than comfortable. But I could go to bed in these bad boys. What are your thoughts on things like the Nox under body armour, so you can put it on and then a hoodie over the top? Now, don't get me wrong, I have a one-piece race suit, I've got all sorts of protective clothing, the best you can get, all sorts. That was a big pothole. But I'm on about just your 20-30 mile an hour, nip into the shop, nip into parents' house. You know, if you was to fall off, you're not going to skid across the floor, you're just going to fall off and stay where you hit the floor. Because I'm thinking about that, no, just something comfortable, easy to throw on, nip out. Because like when I go to my parents' house, it's all 20 mile an hour roads anyway. What we're saying, are we having the Lotus a race? It does sound nice. I don't know if this microphone picks it up. Beautiful car. That is a beautiful car. Does it go to a national here? It does. Should have gone round then. Come on. Oh, this bike does make a lovely sound. Absolutely love it. I'm getting blinded by this sun through these trees. I hope the cameras are picking it up alright though. This is so strange doing the road in reverse to what I normally ride it. Normally I'm coming up this way. I don't recognise it one bit. My left nostril is itchy. Oh. Oh dear me. Oh, now my right nostril is itchy. Oh. Ah, got a fly in my eye. Penis. Well, I'm covered in flies. Motherfucker! It's like a cliff, that pothole. Every time I come round that bend, there's another one in a different spot. You have a line going through some shit corners, and then boom, another pothole. You wouldn't think I did a video about, well, from time of filming this one 2 days ago, and I was shivering. Now I'm dripping with sweat. What is this English weather? Don't get me wrong, I prefer it when it's like this. I think I'm gonna need a new jacket, a vented jacket to go with my new jeans to keep me cool this summer. Any recommendations? The only reason I've not overtaken these yet, I want to do that cycling thing past them. Oh yes, they're going my way, I can cycle past them. Oh, gotta love it. Oh, I've given myself cramp doing that. Oh, oh, dear me. Oh, Yep, I can no longer put my foot on the peg. I have given myself cramp. This is not good. Oh. I couldn't resist, could I? I had to do it. I've only been out for about an hour, but I have thoroughly enjoyed it. Sunny evenings, going out for a little blast. I would have done the overtake there, but I don't trust that car in front. If ever you're unsure, stay back. You know what BMW drivers are like, they don't check the mirrors. And he's hit them bushes a few times. That was a big fly. Surprised it didn't crack my helmet. That person's road positioning is shit. We're fucking crossing white line over there. Silly idiot. Silly pillock. Well, what a lovely ride that has been.